Okay, there we go, Roger. So you can just make me co-host.
Okay, just make you co-host again. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, my name's Roger. I'm about to do a straddle trade, show you how to do it on the 2:30 dart release. So listen carefully, take a note, and don't place the trade until I tell you, not quite yet. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to share the screen now.
Are you already
I've already shared the screen. Sorry, yeah. Right. Sorry, just let these guys in now. Okay, right. Because I've normally given an introduction in the morning. I forgot. Yeah, I've already shared the screen. Step ahead. Right. I've got on the 15-minute. You can use, if you've done this before, you pick the one you want to do. The trading room this morning decided that they want me to do the euro dollar one, so I'm going to pick that trade. Okay. Put on the 15-minute and then zoom in. Is that the right way around? We'll get the wrong way around. Zoom in or out. That's zoom in, zoom out. This one. Okay. There we are. Is that a zoom in or out? Zoom in. Okay. Zoom in until you can see it sort of fairly clearly on the 15-minute. Once you've done that, I'm going to show you what to do now. You go to the euro dollar and you double click as if you're going to place a new order, which you're going to do, but not a market execution, a pending order. Everybody in here must know how to operate the platform and have have a live account that is funded. Okay, this is not for platform training or anything like that. Okay, you go then to the pending order, you buy stop, and then you put the volume in that you feel you want to a risk on this one. I'm suggesting 80 Rand a micro. You can work it out from that. I'm going to put a little bit higher. I'm going to try mine at a little bit higher, maybe that one there. But you don't take any notes of that. You put in what you're comfortable with as your volume. 80 Rand a micro. Okay. And then you put in the price 10 pips above. Well, if it's the buy price is this side and the sell price is that side, if you don't know the spread, again, you shouldn't be trading. You should go to Forex classes. So it's 10 pips above the ask or the buy price, which will be 106.29. And then you place the order. Come on, what's happening now? Oh, there we are. If you can't see it, you right click in a blank part of the screen. What's happening now? Oh, God. Right click on the blank part of the screen, and then you go to trade levels and you click on there. You can see it 10 pips above. That's correct. Okay. Then you go to the euro dollar again and change that to a sell stop this time. Make sure your volume's correct, and then you put it 10 pips below the bid, which is 1.0605. And then you click place, and there it is, above and below the mark. Just going to adjust a little bit because the price won't wait for me. It keeps moving, obviously. I should do it. What the hell was that? Oh, that was the previous one I was in. Sorry, beg your pardon. Don't worry about that. It's a totally separate trade, so ignore the other one. Okay, where were we? All right. So yeah, so that's how it's done. Right. Once the release happens at 2:30, you what you do then is you delete the unfilled order, and then you can put a stop loss in, which we'll have a look at where to put it after the data release. Hope that's all clear. Not complicated, so pretty straightforward. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? All got that? Okay. That's fine then. Okay, we just have to wait for the release of half past because I got feedback on that. So I'm assuming you all know it. So there's not much point showing it again because you obviously clearly know it. Otherwise, you just said so. That's fine. Good. Well, just have to say best of luck. Remember, be careful about overexposing. I gave you the parameters because if it comes out as expected, it might have a whiplash where it goes up and goes down, takes them both in before you had time to cancel the other one. Or nothing might happen. It might be so disappointing that it doesn't fill either of them. So then just cancel both of them. But if one is filled, cancel the other one, and then we can start putting stop loss and TPs or whatever you want to do then. Discuss it after half past release. Oh, you missed it. Okay, sorry, I thought yeah. Right, I'll repeat it, no problem. Let's do it again. Okay, go to the 15-minute chart. You can see that and zoom in nicely so it's all clear. Go to the euro dollar, double click and work out your volumes. 80 Rand a 0.01 or, work out on 81 a micro, clearly work out your volumes. Once you put your, then you put your market execution, you go to pending order, you go to buy stop, and then you put in the price, which is 10 pips above the ask or buy price, 10629, 1.0629. And then you, but then you place the order. And if you can't see it, you right click there and you click on trade levels. It should be visible, that line there. Then you go back to the euro dollar. Double click. Bit slow there. What's wrong? Not wrong with the internet. Just give me a second. Okay, go to market execution, pending order, and this one will be a sell stop. The other one was a buy stop, the sell stop. Make sure your volume's correct, and then you put in 1.0606, which is 10 pips below this particular price there. Okay, make sure that's right. Yep, and then click place. There you got a buy stop below and a buy stop above the market. Don't place it now, guys. Make sure, otherwise you might get filled. Don't get filled before the release. So at 2:30, the release coming out. If it's big difference, the actual to the expected, hopefully you'll get a decent move. Cancel one of the ones that's obviously not filled, and then put in the stop. We'll discuss that afterwards. Okay, but be quick if neither of them fill in the first few seconds, probably best to delete both of them. But you could have a situation where both are filled. Then you might take a bit of a knock, I'm afraid. That's the risk you take. You just hope it's not going to be the same as expected and get a decent market reaction. Okay, are we all good now? Remember, guys, when it comes to about 20 past us, I probably won't have time to explain it again because obviously you've got to place the orders as well as explain. So just bear that in mind. Okay. Great. Are we all good with that? If not, we'll say so, basically. It's 10 pips below the sell price. Yeah, but don't put it yet. That is correct. 10 pips above, 10 pips above the buy price and 10 pips below the sell price. Sell stop. Remember, not sell limit, sell stop, buy stop. And but I'll give it a couple minutes. Don't place it yet. We don't want one of them filled before the release. Hope that's all clear. If it's not clear, I beg of you, tell me, because people don't respond, and then I don't know they don't know. Hey, Clinton. Right, it's pretty good. Should have got it straight off. Brilliant. Okay, right, we just have to wait. It's been another 15 minutes. What I can do in the meantime, I can post the economic calendar. Remember, I have a trading room on purpose 9 to 11 where we discuss strategies and fundamentals and things like that to hopefully improve your practical knowledge. I'll just share the screen quickly, not the screen, sorry, the link with you on the economic calendar. So keep that and copy and paste it. So you got it on your laptop when you're trading, just to refer to. Give you 2 or 3, right? This one is the economic calendar. The other one is the dollar index, obviously important. So I'll give that to you as well. One moment. Have it handy there as well. And I'll give you the yields on the 10-year note. Just 1 second. It's updating there. Right. The 10-year note. If you don't know what that means, I'll explain it. Yeah, we've got a few minutes to explain it. Yeah, good. That means it's the yields on the 10-year note. If the yields go up, it's opposite, inversely proportional, as in opposite to the gold and the stocks. Okay. So if the yields go up, in theory, not always, nothing's 100% in this game. The Dow, if it goes up, the yields go up on the one I've just given you there. The Dow, the NAS, and the shares should, in theory, come off, and the gold should come off. If it goes up, then the reverse will happen. The others will come off, just so I mentioned. So the indices, shares, and gold will go down if the yields and the dollar index goes up, and vice versa. Hope that's all clear. Right, and yeah, and I'll give you my number. Please WhatsApp. It gets quite busy, so just keep in touch that way. Trading support 061. There we are. Just want to mention that's for people who've got 2.5 grand or more in your account. Let me know, WhatsApp me, and I'll add you to my VIP WhatsApp group. There you get daily updates. Other areas of interest will be posted, as well as the trade ideas come straight to you on that WhatsApp. So you know. I haven't got any insight at the moment, Impo. I'll see what happens 1/2 past. I don't want to throw what I think and creates a bias, and it turns out it's incorrect. We'll have to wait to the release. Okay. But off the cuff, I think it might be slightly higher, which might be a strength of the dollar. I'm thinking that might happen, but don't bet on it. It's just a matter of opinion. We used to have in the office before COVID, we used to have fun bets to see if it's going to be above or below expected on the non-farm payroll. So just a bit of fun. We can't tell the release comes out. But if you want my opinion, I think it might be slightly higher, but we shall see. Well, good luck. Good luck. I think I won once and lost another time. It's more guesswork than anything else. It's not just the numbers coming out, how the market reacts. I mean, the non-farms came out about twice the expected, and it reacted, but it didn't react as much as I thought it would. Often you get a bigger reaction. Sometimes you get a bigger reaction expected and a smaller one expected. Depends how the millions of traders react to it, basically. What about the GBP CAD? Sorry, Umpo, you said about and GB CAD. What about it? Oh, good for you. I'm glad to hear that. Good. What's it doing, by the way? Interest. Pretty sideways at the moment, the pound CAD, eh? Came off nicely, popped up. It's pretty sideways. Most of the market's been fairly quiet and sideways, waiting for this release. Okay. We've got a couple minutes to go before placing the order. Any questions, guys? Anything just want clarification on? You're all good. Good stuff. Anybody else? Any clarifications? Anything you're not sure of? Remember, attend the trading room if you can. Very important. So I think under trading experience on the portal, if you want to know the ID there, and times 9 to 11, the IDs on the portal. But trying to trade without adequate practical knowledge could come unbacked. It is recorded, I believe, in the cloud. So if you missed it because you're working or whatever between 9 and 11, just go to the live chat, general inquiries, and you should get the link there for a recorded session if you want. But it's nice to come live, then you can interact. Well, yeah, that's right. We sent a signal out. That's right. That was this morning, the pound CAD. I don't quite know what you mean. How can it have effect on the market? What? I'm sorry, I'm not with you. I'm not quite sure what you're talking about, to be honest. There. Pound CAD will never affect the market. I'm not quite clear on the question, to be honest. Maybe Clinton is. Do you know what's meant by that?
No, Roger.
Okay, sorry, I'm not quite sure what you mean by that, Impo. Give it a few more minutes, and then we can start placing the orders. So quiet, rather expectedly. So doubts are going to get filled, but just to play safe, we'll wait a couple of minutes. Sorry, guys, if you're not interacting with the trading room, please mute. That's so quiet now. I think if you want, you can start placing the signals now. Okay. I think you can start placing your trade now. It's that quiet. I don't think it's going to get filled before 1/2 past. Okay. I hope you're all placing the signals now. Just wait. Couple of minutes to go. Just hang 5. Don't forget, if one gets filled, delete the unfilled order. First thing you do. And then I'll discuss what the stop we can put in. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah. Another 20 seconds. It's coming out. Not much is happening. Oh, hang on, it's got it. So delete your buy order, buy stop. Okay, just wait on a minute. I just checked the figures now. It did strengthen the dollar. I got it right this time, eh, Gerard? 4.1. It's about the same on the year on year. On the month on month, slightly higher. That's the reason. Okay, so that's why it's not an enormous jump, but it had get a bit of a movement. What's the price now? Round figure 1.06. It's not much, only 10 pips. Probably best to put a TP in. Make it 106.40. It's fairly close, only 40 pips away. But put a stop in at 1.0640. We can always adjust it later on. Make sure you deleted the buy order, okay? And hope we get a bit more movement. Be a bit of profit taking, push up and down, guys getting in and out as we speak. So it will jump around a bit. But if you put a stop at 1.0640, then you're only risking about, what, 30 odd pips. It's not too bad. Okay, let's see how it goes from there. And should help your Euro USD order you're already in if you're already in from a previous signal. Just needs to hold below 1.06, hopefully. Oh, you're right there, Mr. Fogwell. 1.0640, Solly. Yeah, I was exactly the same last time. Not much difference this time, but at least there was a difference. Oh, hang on. Today's Thursday. Jobless claims as well might have helped. Jobless claims was it's about the same, only 1K lower, so not much difference there. Good stuff, Andrew. Okay, you can bring the stop down now to entry. Don't want you losing on this trade. So bring your stop down to entry, 1.0610. Modify your stop. I'll put it down for you just in case. What the hell's this thing then? What's this?
It's a previous trade, Roger, that you're in.
Okay, well, never mind. Probably taking in, but never mind. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it would do. Andrew, it would do, wouldn't it? If the yields and the dollar, if the dollar strengthens, gold should come off. What is gold doing anyway? Yeah, it's come off a little bit, not much. But in theory, it should come off. What are the yields doing? Yeah, yields going up should be negative for gold. Might be an idea to do a short on gold, actually. In fact, I might do that. What am I doing? Sorry. Position size calculator on gold. If you like that, here's an idea for you. Haven't got gold up, have I? No, I haven't. Where's it? Here we are. That's better. Okay, gold. Where I'm going to market stop loss. Helpful on the daily, wouldn't it? Take down to the gap. Yeah, take down to 1850. So we'll make that 19.1. There we are. Make it about 19.05. 05. And you can make that around 50, down to the gap. Hopefully it'll close it. 18. Why is that? So, sorry, for a short, beg your pardon. Bloody thing. 1905. 1850. It's not going to work, is it? So make it 1840. Don't want to get the stop too close. Yeah, that'll do it. There you are. It's only call it 45 random micro as your risk if you want to do that. Should get a bit of downside on gold. You can always modify it. I'm just in a meeting at the moment. Can you call me after 3 o'clock? I'd be very grateful. Thanks very much. Yeah, after. Okay, so if you want to do the gold, there you are. I'll copy and save that. Try to like area. Copy and paste it for you. You can check it out if you want. Bloody thing. Come on. Everything's getting in the way. Sorry, everything's getting in the way on the other screen. That's the problem.
Roger, would you like me to send this on the chat?
Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, because it's got my other screen is so crowded, I can hardly get at it with closing every other bloody thing off.
No problem.
Need about 4 screens. Thanks very much. Good idea. Sense. Good thinking. Good thinking. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I'll just write that down. Gold 1880, 1905, 1840. Right, just going to check the notes. Just knock that off so see what's going on. Go back to euro dollar.
Raj, can we lower the euro dollar further? The stop loss?
What happened to GBP? Can we go down? That's fine. Let's do nicely. Yep, let's have a look. Euro dollar. Right, okay. Euro dollar, it's now at 80. Don't want to get too close. Close and 20 pips, a bit too close. I think maybe it'll cover your costs at 106.05. There you are. It could stop you out at 1.06, the round figure. That's only 15 pips away because we sold it. Remember, get out on the buy. At 15 pips, a bit close. It might stop you out in the noise before moving down further. So it's up to you. But I think 1610 is probably about adequate. Maybe 1605 just to cover costs, something like that. but don't get it too close. If it start, well, put on the 15 minutes, see what's happening here. If you can get a bit more out of it, it'll be better. Then you can move it down a bit further. But 20 pips is the absolute closest, preferably about 25, really. I don't understand. I mean, the gold is a sell. Oh, yeah, the gold's a sell. Sorry, I thought $1. Beg your pardon. Yes, the gold's a sell, yeah. Sorry, I was thinking about the dollar. Sorry, euro dollar. Beg your pardon, Jembo. Yeah, the gold's a sell. That's right. Just click on there and you'll see the entry, stop loss, TP. Work on about 45 Rand a micro. They can get it down to 1.06. So it starts getting down to about 105.75, something like that on the ask. But actually, it's quite a nice reaction. Just shows, it's only about 0.1% difference on the monthly, nothing on the yearly. It's quite a decent reaction. We had twice on the non-farms, and we didn't get much of a reaction. Just shows, you even get the figures right, the reaction can be sometimes a bit strange. You can either underreact or overact. Good question. Very good question, Wilner. Very good question. Let's have a look. What we got down there? I think we'll stick with this stop loss. That's a bit low. Try. What's happening now? Sorry, just I don't know what's happening now. Just give me a moment. Bloody circles come up. I think you can make it 1 point. I can't. Just give me a moment here. Wait, I don't know what's happening now. The internet's fine. Here we are. That's better. Make it down there, I think. Yeah, make it 1.05. Make it direct 1.05 if you want to put a TP in. 1.05 on the nail. You can always modify it. Good afternoon. You can always modify it as well, but not just the stop loss. You can modify the TP if you so want. Anyway, carry on. What are you going to say? Sorry.
Just curious. What's the TP did we put on the gold? Have we got that, Raj? I just got him. Sorry.
Okay. Let's have a look at the gold. I'll bring it up. Just a second. It's just crowding the other. Just give me a moment. It's all crowding the other side.
Okay.
Yeah. Clinton.
That's better. That's better. Got it. Just I'll put it down for you now. Okay. Let's see now. Entry is I've got it down as about 1880. What's the price now? Just give me a moment. Gold. What's it doing now? It's already moving down. You might miss it. But you need the stop. Actually, you can make a tighter stop. Make the stop loss 1905, and you make the TP 1840, and it'll work on about 50 Rand, 50 Rand per micro as your risk. Okay. Have you got that, Clinton? Clinton Horner, that is.
Yes, I'm still here.
You've got it. Good man. Okay. I did Farney and Company. Yeah, it's coming off nicely. You can put the stop loss down to around 1.06 now. And then at least you're going to make money. Whatever happens, you're going to make money. That's the beauty of it. Okay. TP for euro dollar, I think you make it 1.05 on the nail. But don't forget, if it's still weakening, strengthening the dollar index, you can always modify the TP down further. Don't forget, it's not just the SL you can modify, you modify TP as well. I've got a slightly lower TP there, but don't worry about that. I think it starts with 1.05. Okay. On the euro dollar, that is. Hope that's clear. Okay, it's nice, doing better than I expected on such a tiny differential. That's bloody marvelous, eh, Chris? Bloody marvelous. Because there are times, guys, I don't care how long you've been trading, some market reactions, you scratch your head. As I say, I was listening to Bruce Whitfield on Money Talk, not yesterday, it was the day before. And they asked him some questions on it. He says, I'm scratching my head for some of these market reactions at the moment. Just remember, guys, what makes up the market? Not just a line moving up and down, it's buyers and sellers, basically. And I'm not sure how many, about 4, 5, 6 years ago, it was about 12 million retail. I'm not talking about institutional traders, I mean retail traders like you and me, you know? It's about 12 million. I think it's gone to over 50 million now. So there's a large amount of traders out there, all with different cultures, different knowledge, different expertise, different amounts of money. You get the idea. So buyers and sellers, what makes the noise, the up and down. People are getting in and out as we speak right now by the tens of thousands. But yeah, it's a nice profit so far. We're about 30 pips in the profit. Not bad. It's only been going for less than 15 minutes, so it's okay. Don't always make 30 pips in 15 minutes, eh? Gold slightly come to the party. Quite pleased with that, actually. Well, a bit quiet now, eh? Right. Any questions? Don't forget, if you can find the time, join the trading room. We'll discuss stuff. It's like a forum. And as I say, you got my number now. And don't forget to save those economic fundamental and dollar index, etc. I posted going forward. And for goodness sake, get the calculator and make sure you get your volumes correct. As I say to everyone in the trading room on a daily basis, incorrect trading volumes is due to the problem. All of them. I like that word, all. Oh, that's good stuff.
Roger.
Yep.
Do you think for NZD USD, this session will assist us in reaching that TP?
Let's look at NZD USD. What was the question? Do you think hopefully it'll reach the TP? I don't know where your TP is. I can't remember. But
our TP was sitting at your 0.59261.
5926. No, you talk about the stop. Oh yeah, 26. Okay. 5926 TP. Where's that now?
Yes.
5926. Well, we on the daily chart, yeah. 5926. Where's that down here somewhere? Yeah, could do. Why shouldn't it? You might get a bit of noise here. It might bounce off the 50, bit of profit taking. If it does, you can either hold it for down, but make sure you modify your stop. Okay.
Yes, it's in the morning. Yes.
Yeah. Don't forget to modify your stop. Not too close, guys. Not 5-10 pips won't cut it. 25 pips, or something like that. Maybe 30, depending on the situation. But modify it. So if you do get stopped out, it's a profit, hits TP, bigger profit. That's a nice situation to be in. Okay,
Thanks, Roger.
No problem, Clint. Okay. Yeah, of course. I'll put it down for you. I'll probably write down, eh? Direct 1.05 on the nail. There you are. I believe it or not, still in the AUDSD, so it's doing quite nicely. What's the CAD doing? It's quite nice as well. Yes, that's good stuff. AUDSD. Doing quite nice as well. Good. Trade's going nicely. Thank you, fundies. Hey, look at Brent. It's gone up a bit. Euro dollar again. Yep, that's right. Good stuff, Sam. Yep, euro dollar. Yeah, it's bounced a little bit. That's why I'd say stops too close. Might get stopped out. It's having a little bit of a bounce as we speak. Hey, some guys might have taken the profit anyway already. Might not get there. We'll just have to see how it pans out. Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Can we see what's happening with the GBP CAD?
For sure.
How's it looking?
for sure. What was the entry price on the signal? 6622. Bloody hell, that's not so good. Hang on. I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry. 6735. I can't see a chef, bloody idiot. Okay, clearly you want to move your stop on that one. That's doing nicely. I think you can put it at 160, 167 on the nail. There you are. Then you got yourself a nice 30 odd plus pip profit. Whatever happens, we might even get the TP hit.
Okay, thanks. I'm doing it.
Okay, that's fine. Any other questions? Anything else you'd like to discuss? Are we all good? Thank you, Michael. Is a dollar coming off? Euro coming off again? Just going to check.
My application today.
Let's check the dollar index quickly on my other screen. Bit delayed in happening. Hopefully get a jump soon. But yeah, as it tries to pop up, luckily the sellers are coming in pretty quick to defend. That's good stuff. So we might get some more out of it. We shall see. Remember, individual market movements, nobody on the planet can actually know that. Whether it goes up another 20 or goes down 20, that's uncontrollable. The market will do what the market does. Just remember that. But we can control volume sizes and other aspects, which I can help you with in the trading room. Anything else, guys? Should we call it a day, or anything else we want to help with before we close off till tomorrow's trading room? Anything else? Just want a bit of clarity on? Anything you're not sure of? Just say so.
Thank you, Rob. Rog. Have a good one.
Okay, thanks, Fanny. Okay, thank you, Mr. Nani. Mr. Nani, if that's pronounced rightly. I'll try. Give it a go. Yeah. Umtakosi. Hope that's right. Thank you, Anthony. Good. Nice one, Madeira. Exactly. So great. Catch you then. Well, yeah, catch you in the trading room if you can make it. We will be doing a session on the non-farms again next month, first Friday of November, and we'll do another CPA, usually the Thursday or whatever it is. We'll update you on it after. Yep, the dollar suddenly reacted on the screen there on my dollar index chart. It's gone up nicely, so hopefully it continues in that direction. Right, guys. Okay, so don't forget, won't be the last one. We'll be doing them again, and the better you get, the better you get. Thank you very much, Muzi. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah. As long as you don't call me a queen, sweetie, I don't mind. Okay, guys. Right, catch you tomorrow.
Thanks, Raj. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.